over the time since, or even before the Civil War, our black churches have been attacked.
Pastor Gerald Caldwell is the spiritual leader at Quinn Chapel AME Church in Flint, and he feels the pain of the recent fires that have destroyed several black churches in the South.
It's really heartbreaking that we live in this day and age in 2015 where we see this kind of thing going on.
Quinn Chapel has Genesee County's oldest African-American congregation, dating back to 1875, some 140 years ago. Therefore, Pastor Caldwell takes exception to the attacks on black churches, especially those of the AME faith.
Just so happens to be because of our historical longevity, the AME church seems to be the focus.
You know, it's a whole new beat for the church these days, because no longer do they have to invest in an alarm system just for a drum set and an organ or a piano or the microphones. They have to look at the church as a whole. And as Pastor says, that's worth looking into.
I'm torn because I'm ex-military. I'm a retired major in the Army Reserves, but I don't want to resort to violence to protect myself or the congregation.
Dr. Byron C. Moore of Vernon Chapel AME believes the church bombings in the South could happen here.
Oh, absolutely. Spirits have no geographical boundary.
In Flint, Ronnie Duncan, WNEM TV5.